Nigeria's ex-internationals Austin J.J. Okocha and Nwako Kanu are to feature as captains in the Charity Champions Cup being organized by Attom Foundation to raise funds for charity initiatives in Nigeria. The annual match would be contested at the Moshood Abiola National Stadium in Abuja on Saturday, June 15, 2024, featuring football legends across the world and notable Nigerian celebrities. Some of the active football players and legends confirmed for the novelty match are Victor Osimhen, Kenneth Omoru, Deide Drogba, Mairo Balotelli, Azizat Oshoala, while the entertainers include Tiwa Savage, Paul and Peter Okoye, Michel Eboe, among others. For this year, the charity initiative, according to the organizers, is being channeled through providing succor for people suffering visual impairment, with a target to provide treatment for over 10,000 Nigerians.
To start with eye care, we're restoring eyesight to 10,000 people across Nigeria. The whole purpose for the Charity Champions Cup would unveil as we go on. And I think this press conference is to sort of explain and let you guys know and understand how this idea came about, how he was able to gather the team he has been able to gather, and yeah, that's why we're doing this.
Already, the foundation said it had acquired 4 mobile eye clinics with plan to have at least 1 in each of the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. At a joint press conference in Lagos on Thursday, founder of Attom Foundation, Yahaya Attom, stated that the foundation was set up to cater for the less privileged in the society. The Charity Champions Cup stands as a testament to making a difference. This initiative embodies the essence of our foundation, uniting legendary footballers, celebrities, and individuals from all walks of life to tackle a critical healthcare need, eye care for the elderly in Nigeria.
Attom, I'm the founder of Attom Foundation. Organized this is just to be able to help people. Actually wanted to use sport to help people. I've discussed with a lot of my friends, celebrities and footballers, and so they're ready to help me with this. And we're focusing on eye clinic because we've seen how it is. The health system needs a lot of support. So with my friends and colleagues, we're ready to help people. The doctor said we have about 80% of people which are having a lot of issues which can be prevented. But now we're focusing on the eye treatment. Maybe subsequently some years, next year event will focus on something else. But right now we're focusing on eye treatment.
So how was it bring?
Shibona, aka Funny Borne. I'm an actor, a comedian, and I'm also part of the Attom. Laudable is something that we should support. Attom is someone who is, keen about, helping people, supporting people. Before now, he's been doing this on the low, but I thought that, we should come up with something huge and bigger, and that's finally we're able to convince him to do this, and I'm glad that, the fact that we can talk about it, the fact that we can share it, it means that the reach would go further than, needed, and I hope that those that need help can actually access it, because that's what is most important, that when we're done doing this, somebody somewhere who can not afford glasses or who is battling with issues with eyes can get the help and hope that they need for their sight to be fixed. That's the reason, and that's for me, that's the push, and that's a hype for me.
First of all, personally, I have a foundation too, and I understand what it is when I meet a kindred spirit. Meeting Attom one-on-one, I just knew it was real. I'm also very, very skeptical about putting my name. Name is more valuable than anything else, especially where I come from, building it as a dancer. So meeting him one-on-one, listening to him and understanding where he was coming from, I said, this is the kind of person I want to work with because it aligns with what I will be doing for my country, for my nation. And that's why I'm part of this. And that's why my creative agency, Capital Creative Agency, is coming in to help project manage, coordinate. We've been in the industry with a lot of entertainment experiences, event planning experiences, and also strategy and brand communications. You understand? When it comes to building a brand with integrity, I want to make sure that Attom Foundation is known for that integrity. I carry integrity with me, and I hold it very dear as a core value. As a citizen of this country, as a national treasure, I have to make sure that whatever it is that we embark on is done and is followed, we follow through to it. So Attom Foundation has come to stay, and we are here backing it up. Funny Bone, Dr. Chris, I, Kemen, and every other team member that cannot even be in front of the camera. Trust me, there are people behind this thing that would not let it falter. So we're urging Nigerians, well-meaning Nigerians, the Nigerians we know they need no day for social media, but they have money. They have tools, they have opportunities. It's not only money that drives the project, the heart of contribution does. So whatever it is that you feel can contribute to this cause, please, we go to our website, our Attom Foundation website, and reach out to us and say you want to volunteer, because we need volunteers. Having 60,000 people in the National Stadium, we need an army to put, to regulate all of that outpour. So, and you see, I want to say thank you to all the players, celebrities that have said, look, we are going to be here to this country. They are flying from all over the world to be part of what Nigeria will benefit. Football is a uniting sport and is the voice of the Nigerian people. In fact, from the AFCON, we can see that football has the heart of the nation, and Attom is using that to penetrate to Nigerians and giving them vision.
Nigeria is terrible when it comes to statistics. We don't have up-to-date statistics. We are working with old figures. So the most recent was a study that was done in 2022, whereby over 15,000 elderly people were part of the study, and it was discovered that 84% of them are living with preventable visual impairments or blindness, and that's a very high figure. Imagine when 84% of people within a particular population are having issues with their sight that can actually be fixed by a procedure, maybe glasses or surgeries or medications. Exactly. So the statistics is very high, and over 50% of the 84 was as a result of refractive errors. Refractive errors meaning you can just use glasses to take care of the problem, and then 30-something% of them was as a result of cataract. And if you know what cataract is something that a surgery, a simple surgical procedure, takes care of the problem, and then vision improves as long as there is nothing else happening at the back of the eye.